Did you know that you can drill your very own hole into your AirTag so you can attach it to a keychain without purchasing accessories? I don't recommend doing such a thing, but obviously people discovered this, and well, some people have done it. And it's not as far as drilling a hole into an Apple product or any tech product, this little guy is around $30, so it's not as terrifying as it would be to put, I don't know, put your own lanyard hole onto your iPhone. I wouldn't want to try to figure out where to put that.
Yeah, that's Apple seems like they missed the mark on this, because it looks like Tile has the hole punch thing.
Yeah, but Apple never missed the mark. Will they do? They just.
Well, how much is that?
They just gonna sell you to fine leather, and I know you can't smell right now, but ladies and gentlemen, Apple ain't never missed the mark. Go get Tim over here. Ask Tim. Put Tim right there and say, "Hey, Tim, you must have missed the mark at some point." No. At Apple, we have an amazing team of engineers, creatives that have done an unbelievable job on AirTags and iPad and iPhone and MacBooks. And you say, no, Tim, I don't think you heard me, man.
But the little hole punch thing. No.
Tim, I don't think you heard me. I'm just saying you missed the mark one time. We have an amazing team of engineers. Yeah. Anyway, it's part of the corporate culture, you just. Yeah. So this is the Hermes Apple AirTag, which is $1 billion and smells like beef jerky.
Fresh. Yeah, don't give that to Otis.
No, Otis will be done with this in 2 seconds flat. Now, you don't need to get this one. You can get, I guess, the regular. I think I have it over there, all the regular ones. But you can get the regular keychain, which costs like $30 and not $400, $350. This one's $350. Check if it's in stock real quick, because when I posted the video, by the way, go check out this video. The unboxing experience of this Hermes AirTag is absolutely ridiculous. You should go check out the video. But anyway, still unavailable. Handmade, baby. I was on the early order. I got that straight from France.
Good job.
I think it was actually at a warehouse in Markham. But at one point, it was in France.
Yeah.
When that stitch right there went in, it's a French stitch right there.
French stitch.
Anyway, yeah, you go check. What a time that video was. I had fun with that video, but yeah, so Apple wants to sell you the accessories. They didn't put a hole in it. You're right. You could say they missed the mark. There's two things you could have wanted. You could have wanted a different form factor, because Tile has a bunch of them. They have the card, and they have the sticky one, and they just have a bunch of different products. And then another thing that's missing is, and I don't know, I've played with it a little bit, but I don't believe it's there, you can't track your phone from your tracker. It's not a two-way thing.
Oh, really?
So you can track your time. And I know people are saying, okay, why would you want to, what's the reason for, well, because you misplace your phone sometimes too. Yeah. And if you have your keys and you're looking for your phone, you can you could track your phone.
Right.
So that's kind of a two-way. Granted, if Apple sells you the Apple Watch, you never need to worry about it, because then you use the watch to find the phone, and the phone to find the tracker, and
it's a whole ecosystem.
Yeah. It's like the rainforest.
Yeah. A lot of roots.
Rainforest is amazing.
Yeah.
With the canopy. Uh-huh. The wildlife.
The trees.
Oh my God.
All joining together.
Anyway, these guys found a little spot where you can drill a hole through the AirTag and not damage anything. And you can hook it to something, to your keychain, I guess, without having to purchase an accessory.
I heard there's like 3 spots you can drill.
Okay, 3 spots. Yeah, what does it say here? Done through the plastic cover. Avoid the circular steel frame and tiny PCB. You need steady hands to drill a hole through the plastic.
Where's that?
Anyway, Well, we're not recommending that anyone does it, but there is content out there that'll show you what to do if you want to do this. But I would think there's other ways to attach it without buying Apple's accessories. I don't know. Maybe some third-party $2 keychain. If it doesn't exist yet, it probably will any minute. On a certain website that you might be familiar with.
Yeah.
That generates close to $1 million a minute. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.